Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm sharing pineapple upside down cake recipe. This one is delicious, super moist vanilla sponge cake. Note the ingredients of glaze. First of all, you need to grease the baking pan. Line the cake baking pan with butter paper and then grease it again with butter. In saucepan, add brown sugar and salted butter. Cook on low flame until well combined. इसको अच्छे तरीके से पकाना है और जब तक कि ये बबल्स ना आने लग जाएं. In 8-inch baking pan, pour the glaze. अब इसको अच्छे तरीके से सारी तरफ स्प्रेड करना है इक्वली. ध्यान रहे कि सारे कॉर्नर्स पे इक्वली ये स्प्रेड हो. Then add pineapple rings. And then add candied cherries in the center of the rings. Then leave this aside. Now you note the ingredients of cake. On a bowl, place a sifter. Add all-purpose flour and corn flour. In a different bowl, add unsalted butter and caster sugar. You can also add powdered sugar and beat for a good 5 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 eggs and then add 2 more. उसके बाद हम इसमें वनीला पाउडर ऐड कर देंगे और you can add essence of vanilla. Then add milk. इसको हम बीट करेंगे 30 seconds के लिए. Then you add flour, cornstarch and baking powder mixture. You can beat for a minute. Now pour this on the top of the pineapples. Using a spoon, carefully tap the baking pan just to get rid of any air bubble. Then you bake for about 50 to 60 minutes in a preheated oven. Once the cake is done and still warm, you can also add pineapple syrup. Pineapple juice हम इसके ऊपर से pour कर देंगे. To serve the cake, just place a cake board or plate on the top of the sponge. Then quickly flip over. Then अब हम इसको हटाएंगे और ये अभी भी बहुत अच्छा सा गर्म हो रहा है. Then gently remove butter paper and then you can serve it.